Four images of preaching. Prophet Isaiah uses four images in his preaching. First, covenant marriage or relationship. Second, the vineyard or fig tree. Third, domesticated animals. Fourth, drinking wine. So these are the four images he uses for Israelites, their relationship with their God Yahweh. The four images are Israel's relationship with Yahweh. First, perfect covenant union. Second, rebellion of the covenant people against God's law. Third, God's redemptive judgment to call his people to repentance and restoration. Fourth, the promise of full restoration and fellowship between God and his covenant people. The full restoration comes only with Jesus. Thank you.